This is Lori, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Centurion booth here, and I have Bill, and they've got some neat new camo tools that they're going to show us. So, Bill, what do you got here?
We've got a complete line of cutting tools, all in a camouflage color. Very unique product. Hunters, camp backpackers love camo. This particular product line, you've got pruners, loppers, a multi-tool, saws, and a folding shovel.
Nice.
Very, very nice, very nice selection of products. Very well received in the marketplace. Got camo line from Centurion.
That sounds great. Bill, to find out more information, where can they go?
Amazon.com will be the best place to buy this line of product.
That sounds great. Thank you, Bill.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.